Recently, I bought a jar of marbles, and I bought them because they were stained, and I wanted to see how to clean them up and see if I could clean them up. You can see all the rust stains on there, and I've heard people say soak them in Dawn and soak them in CRC or whatever it is, calcium, lime, and CLR. But I've done all that. It didn't work on other glass pieces I collect. And lately, I saw someone posted this stuff here, BioClean, from Amazon. So I thought I'd give that a try. And I'm thinking that it's going to work out pretty good. So the first thing what I'm going to do is just put some of the BioClean on this, like a Mr. Clean sponge. And I'll get my dirtiest little marble over here. There you go. That's nasty. And I'll just take it and rub it in little circles. I can just rub it in my fingers. Maybe it's not good to put your fingers in it, but I haven't noticed any problems. But then I got tough man hands, I reckon. So gloves wouldn't hurt, but just a little wipe. And I'll rinse it real quick. All the rust is gone on that one, just about. There's a little bit more I could do. Let's get one like right here. You can see the staining. Yeah, right there is really bad. That's just with a little rubbing, and it's not a stain right there, I don't believe. I'll try and see. Nope, but it's, you can see it works pretty daggone good. And it doesn't really break out a sweat. You don't have to break out a sweat or anything. Let's try this one. You can see there. Three or four rubs. Rinse it off a little bit. And you see how clean it's going to come. In about 30 seconds, I can clean the whole marble. Let's see. And there it is. That stuff is the bomb. I wish I'd known about this 10 years ago. So, hopefully it helps. It's Amazon CRL, made by US Aluminum, BioClean.